Hello home dreamers, I am Ramanathan, civil engineer. When we build our homes, it is now common to decorate them with tiles, both inside and outside. No matter how high quality our homes are, everyone knows that this tile is what gives them that luxurious look. In this video, we will look at the basic and important things about such tiling. I am uploading this video in two parts because the video of the wall tile and floor tile work done for our project is too long. That is, part 1 will be about wall tile and part 2 will be about floor tiles. Let's go to the video. Welcome back to video. You can beautify your home with elegant wall tiles. It is available in wide range of styles, color and textures that cater to every taste and aesthetic. Whether you are aiming for a sleek, modern look or a timeless, classic feel, wall tile offer versatility and quality that can enhance any room in your home. Wall tile not only add a touch of elegance but also provide a practical solution for easy maintenance. A wall tile is a type of tile that is designed for use on walls, such as in bathrooms, kitchens, and showers. Wall tiles are usually made from ceramic, glass, stone, or porcelain and are lighter and thinner than floor tiles. Ceramic is made of a mixture of clay, water, and minerals. It is fired in a kiln treated with a liquid glass coating to form a glassed surface and fired once more. In general, ceramic is the most affordable tile material. Ceramic tile is popular choice for wall applications. They are durable, easy to clean, and come in various colors, patterns, and textures to suit different design preferences. Unless ceramic tiles are irreparably damaged, they can maintain an attractive appearance for many years when properly installed and maintained. Ceramic tiles are water resistant and resistant to wear and tear. Ceramic tiles are the most suited and most preferred tiles when it comes to bathrooms. Glazed or polished ceramic tiles make a great option for the walls of your bathroom. However, they are not suited for the floor as they can be slippery when wet. Ceramic tiles vary in size, colors, materials, textures and prices. The starting price of all tiles is around rupees 35 per square feet and goes up to rupees 400 per square feet. Generally, most common wall tile used sizes are 1 by 2 feet, 1 by 1.5 feet, and for luxurious purpose, 2 by 4 feet, 2 by 2 feet also used. Small size tiles can make expansive spaces feel gauzier and add visual interest. Long tile can help elongate spaces or draw the eye toward a focal point. Large tile may not work in small spaces if you want to show off a tile layout. Big size tiles are larger and heavier, they can be more difficult to handle and install. This means that if they are not installed properly, they can crack or become damaged over time. Additionally, because they are less flexible than small tiles, they are more susceptible to damage from impact. Many familiar brands available in market. Some of that Somani tiles, Gajaria tiles, AGL tiles, KAG tiles, RAK tiles, Nitco tiles, HR and Johnson tiles, Simplo ceramic tiles, Orient Bell tiles, Vermora tiles, etc. Tiles are resistant to stains, water damage and most chemicals, making them an ideal choice for kitchens, bathrooms and outdoor areas. Glazed ceramic tiles features a surface almost impermeable to any kind of liquid. This non-porous surface makes them easy to clean and stain-free. Wall tiles are a popular option for adding both functionality and style to various areas of your home. Many argue ceramic is the best wall tile. It is water, stain, heat and scratch resistant and can easily withstand the demands of the kitchen backsplash, bathroom backsplash or shower. Ceramic tile is the most cost efficient, is easy to cut and comes in a plethora of eye-popping colors and textures. Ceramic tiles do not fade or darken. They are colorful and their finish remains as it is. Even in the event of long exposure to UV rays, ceramic tiles are hygienic. They do not stain and they are easy to take care of. With proper care, a ceramic tile can last 20 to 30 years or more. Wall tile thickness typically range from 6 to 10 mm. Even though ceramic tile will not be damaged by water, they might have some water absorption. Ceramic tiles will be great for any normal wet environment like a bathroom or shower wall. Tile adhesive is a kind of polymer-based adhesive substance with high hardness. It is used to adhere the tiles to the wall or the floor. Cement, a kind of cementitious substance, is the most generally utilized material for placing ceramic tile. It is also the oldest material that is being used for tile walls and floors. One client asked me that why is it so expensive to install wall tiles? Because tile installation has often been viewed as a costly home improvement. However, it is not just about laying tiles. It is an art requiring specific skills and attention to detail. From ensuring durability to achieving artistic perfection, the process is intricate and time consuming. Finally, how to choose good quality of tiles? Let's see. By just looking over the tiles, you can be able to check for some basic qualities. First, look for consistent color and texture across the entire surface of the tile. Second, main criterion is shape. High quality tiles will be perfectly square or rectangular with straight edges and consistent thickness throughout. Check for any warping by placing the tiles on a flat surface. Check the surface quality by whether the glass or finish should be smooth and free of cracks, holes, scratches or chips. Lastly, gently tap two tiles together. A clear ringing sound indicates a good quality tile, while a dull sound might suggest a weaker tile. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in Ambattur site series video. Bye.